Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
One of the pioneers in delivering management education in India, with a rich legacy spanning 40 years, this institute has a 40,000 plus strong alumni network, which includes over 300 plus C-suite executives and stands testament to its reputation as one of the preferred destination for management education for aspirants in India. This is the growth story of IMT Ghaziabad, a B school situated at the fag end of Delhi NCR that we are going to talk about in this episode of KYC. With accreditations from AACSB and AICTE, IMT has a rich legacy of 4 decades in imparting high-quality education to its students and producing leaders of the future. The academic rigor and the contemporary nature of the courses forms the basis of a strong foundation which enables the graduates of IMT Ghaziabad to flourish as leaders in their respective domains. Campus life. The IMT Ghaziabad campus is a 14.7-acre residential campus located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. At a time when the campus was built, it was at the outskirts of the Delhi NCR region and accessibility was an issue. With time, the locality around the campus has grown and developed into a modern city with all the amenities at the disposal for the students. Being a residential campus, the students get all the facilities within the campus and have a closely knit and integrated residential community. A campus filled with greenery, open spaces, Italian architecture in its buildings, 2 academic blocks, a dedicated computer lab, conference room, and state-of-the-art facilities when it comes to sports, this campus provides a holistic experience to its students. It has 10 student housing blocks and a separate MDP block housing with single and double occupancy rooms. Students are active 24/7 in the campus, either flocking in the computer lab or the state-of-the-art library, or just having a brainstorming session over a cup of hot coffee in the canteen. With panoramic green surroundings, elegant landscapes, and beautiful flower beds, the IMT campus brims with chatter and cheer of students actively taking part in various activities. With 25 committees and 12 clubs, students at IMT Ghaziabad host a horde of activities throughout the year. Tattva, Passion, Chakravyuh, Wise Bite are some of the notable events organized by the students of IMT Ghaziabad. New initiatives. The pandemic has brought with it new challenges in the business arena, and new skill sets are needed by upcoming managers and leaders to handle these new challenges. IMT recognized this need early on and hence has introduced new modules into the PGDM course structure so that its students are equipped with necessary skill sets to handle the post-COVID world business challenge. Internal certifications with A-star universities and institutes across the world. IMT is offering the batch of 2021-23 a host of international online certification courses offered by elite institutions of the world, which will be made available to the students during the 2 years program duration. Students of PGDM batch 21-23 can opt for one such certification course sponsored by IMT Online Certification Courses, which will be available with universities like Cornell, Oxford, Harvard Business School, etc. Global Connect Week. The students of PGDM batch of 2021-23 will have an option to participate in an international immersion module titled Global Connect Week in Europe, Asia, Middle East, Australia, US as part of their coursework, which will be partly or fully sponsored by IMT based on the destination chosen by the candidate. It would provide industry exposure, networking activities, professional development workshops, informal culture immersion, etc. to its students. International faculty to teach 5% of the coursework. IMT is currently engaging with various international faculty of repute in partner, non-partner institutes across the globe to partner with incumbent faculty and teach 5% of the course to its students. This will enable students to gain an international perspective and network with faculty members across the world for learning and research opportunities. Scholarships at IMT Ghaziabad. IMT offers scholarships to eligible candidates in various categories in order to enable them realize their career dreams with lesser financial liabilities. These scholarships are given both at entry and midpoint level to deserving students. Scholarships like Srimati Leela Nath Memorial Scholarships for female candidates, merit scholarships for candidates with high scores in admission tests, scholarships to students belonging to EWS category, Sri Mahendranath Memorial Scholarships, etc. will be offered to students. Programs offered. IMT Ghaziabad's AICTE approved programs offer multifaceted grooming processes to its students with a perfect mix of knowledge and experiential learning. PGDM, the Postgraduate Diploma in Management, is a flagship 2-year full-time residential program that focuses on experiential learning, design thinking, and developing skills that can prepare the students for the world of tomorrow. Under the umbrella of PGDM program, a candidate is offered the PGDM full-time, PGDM marketing, and PGDM finance programs depending on his merit and his choice. PGDM DCP. The Dual Country program is a 2-year program designed to give holistic global knowledge of the markets to the students, where students get to spend 1 year in the Dubai campus and 1 year in IMT Ghaziabad campus. It provides them with a global and regional perspective around businesses to make them ready for any set of challenges. PGDM BFS. The PGDM Banking and Financial Services program is a 2-year program designed to provide banking and finance related education to prepare the students to take up roles in the finance sector. From financial risk management to learning about blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and fintech, this course covers it all. PGDM Executive. The PGDM Executive is a full-time 15-month program designed for high-performing professionals with work experience. The program brings a global perspective to the participants by developing close associations with leading business schools across the world. PGDM Part-Time. PGDM Part-Time is a 3-year part-time AICTE approved and AACSB accredited program in business management for working professionals. It requires alternate weekly classroom interactions with IMT Ghaziabad faculty at IMT campus. Fees. The fees for 2-year PGDM program at IMT Ghaziabad for the batch of 2019-21 was Rs 17.5 lakh. Rankings.
In the India Today Private B School Ranking 2020, IMT Ghaziabad has been placed in the 5th spot. Business World has put IMT Ghaziabad in the top 4 among the private B schools in India. It has been ranked 2nd by CSR in Private B School Rankings 2020.
Eligibility and selection procedure. To apply to IMT, an applicant must complete the online application form. There is one common application form for IMT Ghaziabad, IMT Nagpur, and IMT Hyderabad. Candidates applying for the PGDM programs should have a bachelor's degree and equivalent with minimum 50% aggregate marks. To apply for IMT Ghaziabad 2-year PGDM program, applicants must be registered for CAT 2020 or SAT 2021 or should have taken the GMAT between January 1, 2017 to February 28, 2021. Candidates need to fill in their application form online and provide their personal details, including their CAT, SAT, GMAT scores. IMT will conduct the common admissions process in February and March 2021 for shortlisted candidates for the final selection. Both merit and campus score cutoffs become the basis for selection for IMT campuses. The last date for filling an online application form for IMT is 27 November 2020. Summer placements. IMT Ghaziabad's batch of 2019-21 successfully conducted its summer placements this year amidst the COVID-19 scares. The prominent recruiters for the placements have been companies like HCL, Godrej, Deloitte, Abbott, Amazon, Maruti Suzuki, Citibank, etc. Highest 23% of the offers were made from the BFSI sector, while 14% offers were from the FMCG, FMCD sectors. Consulting roles were offered to 12% of the batch. A record of Rs 3 lakh was offered as the highest stipend, and average stipend of Rs 88,000 was offered to the students. Notable alumni. IMT Ghaziabad, with its illustrious alumni base, provides the much needed industry interaction and networking opportunities for its students. An institute with over 4 decades of academic excellence, IMT Ghaziabad has produced some industry leaders and CXOs who work in varied sectors and MNCs across the world. Prasun Joshi, CEO, McCann World Group, MD, Kotak Investment Advisor Srini Srinivasan, ex-president and CEO of BMW India Rudra Tej Singh, CEO India and SAR Godrej Consumer Products Limited Sunil Kataria, Milagro founder Rajiv Karwal, President Bajaj Auto Sumit Narang, CEO Zydus Wellness Tarun Arora, CEO Bharti Foundation Mamta Saika, CMO Mariko T. Koshi George are all part of this very campus. Not only this, people from diverse fields such as politics, films, sports and other creative spaces have once been part of this very institute. Sachin Pilot, Mindy Mathur, Prachi Telan, Nitya Prakash are just some of the names of the lineage of alumni that IMT boasts about. Final placement and salary. IMT Ghaziabad has always had an excellent placement record and has performed consistently for placement of its students. In the academic year 2019-20, IMT Ghaziabad witnessed industry leaders recruiting from the campus across all sectors. While the highest international offer was Rs 58.22 lakhs, the highest domestic offer was Rs 34 lakh. And the overall average of the entire class increased to approximately Rs 13.7 lakhs. There has been a 60% hike in the highest salary at IMT Ghaziabad over the past 3 years. Also, there has been an increase of 20% in average salary of IMT Ghaziabad over the past 3 years. Along with excellent placements, this year there have been many new recruiters for placement session at IMT Ghaziabad like Aditya Birla Capital Limited, Bosch & Lomb India Private Limited, Bharti Financial Services, Ambuja Cements Limited, Reddington Gulf, Wellspun Global Brands Limited, Western Digital, Sandisk India, Upgrad Education Private Limited, TikTok, Centum Learning Limited, Alliance Tire Group, etc. came on campus. That is it for today, guys. Tell us in the comment section below if you liked the video, share it with your friends, whoever you think is in need for it, and tell us in the comment section which college you want to know about next, and we might come up with a video for you.